you doing? Where's your mask? You got no socks, no shirt.
But I got the food. I got the pack on me for the weekend. This is all I'm eating all weekend.
In Florida, this is acceptable. Look at this little old lady. If you went up to her, she'd probably die.
Stay away. 6 feet, and she's good.
Keep your distance, bro. We don't know what you got.
I got it all.
We're heading out to RYC right now. Redneck Mud Park.
Oh
shit.
Such a lawsuit.
Live action right there. Imagine he took you out on film.
Oh, we got
God.
Shots in the park. Let me get it.
Listen, RYC gets a little crazy sometimes. Oh God.
Take a little shot. Hey, shot.
I'm a driver. We got a little country boy weekend going on right now. And a lot of people ask me if this truck ride's good on the highway. So you guys are about to see. We're going 90 miles an hour. Look at one finger on the wheel. Look at no hands. Going 100 miles an hour. Look at no hands. One finger. It honestly is crazy though. You got 13x lift on 40s and it rides this good. We weren't really going that fast, by the way. That was all CGI. That wasn't real. All right, boys. We made it to Redneck Yacht Club. This is where you get your cowboy on. Redneck Mud Park, baby. Out here, you're a different person. You ain't your normal person when you come out here. When I put the freaking cowboy hat on, you know it's game time.
Julie already got the drinks cracking. Once we pull in, the drinks get cracking. You double fisting?
Jeez, Julio.
Getting alcoholic friends.
That's you. But we made it out here. Everyone comes out here where I live, and it gets pretty wild. They're gonna see some mudding, some beautiful
women,
cowgirls, knockers. You're gonna see Sheila.
No.
Blue Lives Matter. I'm not gonna lie, this place is kind of crazy. You're gonna see some white trash out here. I'm not gonna lie. Knockers. Matthews already looks trashy. It is. Look at no shoes, no shirt.
Bro, when y'all see the people here, you're gonna be like, Matthew looks classy.
Some good old boys out here.
Come on, bro. Get in, bitch.
Hop in. Come on. Hey, yank that bitch. Give it all she's got. Bro, this is some redneck shit right here. Oh! Bro, they just ripped the whole wheel off with the hub.
When the sun's going down, no stars in the sky, I'ma head down the road across county line where they roll up the smoke.
I stole you.
They pour beer and wine.
You did it?
And hearts break on the jukebox where the neon stars shine.
Good morning. You got the whole fucking crew in here. Yeah, just step right on the rim. Thanks. Awesome. Great job. We're doing redneck shit. We're gonna go mud bog the big old Clifford. You got stuck on the lip by a bee.
On the lip. It wasn't just a bee. That bitch was bad.
You know girls pay for that. So
I know they do.
Got it for free.
I know. I told them. I said, you want to play with it a little bit? I told them they could play with it. Hey,
that's a new life hack. Instead of buying lip injections, just get stung by a bee.
fucking in that shit.
That was like, oh my god, that was so hot.
Oh,
Hey, is that Judah from Judah's Garage? I think so, bro. Hey, where's Rodway's Corvette, bro? Hey, I'm bringing that next. Hey! You're ugly. Alright guys, so today, we're doing a truck pull with the tank versus big old Ruby, so check us out. What do you guys think's gonna happen? You think my truck can pull this thing? I don't know. This tank could run my truck over probably. If you went forward, it would just crumble it. We got the chain hooked up, we got the tank hooked up. About to see what happens. I don't know what's gonna happen, but there's only one way to find out, so.
Hey boys, we going to war! Go!
Is it a clean title? This is unreal right now, to be honest. Will the brand new Powerstroke pull the tank? Dude, there's no way the tank's gonna, there's no way I'm pulling this thing. But, you know, I got some big tires on there,
Yo,
so.
this thing's built like back when I was a boy, man.
Get in there.
What? About to light up some roads! Yo, give me the...
This thing's literally ridiculous. How do we find this? Where do you even buy a tank from? Check this thing out. What up?
Can you give me a drink?
Who do you think's gonna win? Me or the tank?
The tank.
Oh my God! You don't believe in me? Okay. We're doing a military style out here. We got our hat on. I've never seen a chain like this in my life. How much do you think this weighs? This probably weighs 500 pounds. Nah, no way. It probably weighs like 300. You think my truck's gonna break? That was a no joke. Not the hat.
He was not joking when he said you got some heavy chains.
This chain is no joke. This chain is insane. So you got the D-ring on this side. The weight of this thing. Plus the dirt. Dude, that chain is insane. It probably weighs a couple hundred pounds. Look at that Jimmy rig. All right, boys, the time has come. We're about to see what's gonna happen. I'm up in Old Clifford, and I wish I could roll my windows down. That'd be nice. This helmet is ridiculous. How's the chain looking?
I'm right here. Just point to me, tell me when to have to go forward.
All right, we're tight?
You're tight.
We're tight, baby.
10 feet.
All right, I'm gonna start giving it some juice.
Now I gotta get him. Hey!
Wait, give me a second.
In neutral.
Oh. This is crazy looking, I bet. Saying, look, I got no chance. He's tugging me like nothing. Oh my. We tried, man. We tried. We did what we could. Hi, boys. So, you know, I'm not gonna lie, I didn't think I had a chance, but, you know, it was fun. I thought that possibly I could pull him a little bit, but I guess, you know, tank versus truck, you got no chance. I kinda like this look, though. I might start wearing this helmet all the time. Hoorah! Matthews. Oh, brothers in blue.
Yo, watch out, we gotta get shot up, Shut up.
Come. I think we're gonna be able to get out. I think the tank might have to pull us out. We're like freaking axle deep.
I'm gonna try.
Hey, try it. Put it in full drive.
Yeah.
Oh! Easy. Hey, listen, bro. My truck might not be able to pull a tank, but, you know, it can get out of a hole, so that's all that matters. Hitch pin down. The hitch pin is freaking, holy shit. I don't even know if it'll come out. That was a $30 hitch pin. Dude, how are we gonna get that out?
No, this isn't smart. If we did this, put it around that,
And pull it.
and pull that. Yes, that is a smart idea.
So now, you know, it was all fun and games, and now we actually have some serious problems. We can't get the chain out, and I ain't dragging a chain all weekend.
Oh, keep on. Oh, a little bit more. Oh, too much. God. Fucking hit the gas just a tiny bit too much.
Dude, it's bent on the inside, on the outside. What are we gonna do? Yeah, hit Judah's bumper. Hey, no Whistling Diesel action around here.
That's it. We need more subscribers.
When I got Whistling Diesel money, then we'll start destroying the truck. Hey, when there's a problem, Marcus will take care of it. Marcus is the guy that you just sit back and he'll do it.
He doesn't like to work on his stuff, but when it
Marcus
comes
is
down to
like-
your friend stuff, he don't give
Marcus
a
isn't the
fuck.
hardest worker until there's an issue, and then he's the hardest worker. Like if you're stuck, let's say I get stuck in my mud hole, Marcus will be freaking neck deep in the mud, hoisting up the strap, pulling you out.
Well, Judah's
That's why I'm
Sitting in the
That's
truck.
why we keep,
in the AC.
that's-
In the
That's why we
AC.
keep Marcus around. He's a good guy to have around. What should we do, Alyssa? The chain bent, the hitch pin. What should we do? The hitch pin's stuck in the
Dude,
hitch.
this fucking video of you is so good.
Bella, I need some advice.
The biggest.
Look at the platy.
Damn.
Wait. Damn.
Damn, baby.
Dumb.
Last couple 2020. Psych, bitch. We don't date these hoes. Hell yeah, brother. So now we got the crowbar. This isn't even a crowbar. This is like this is a tank crowbar. Oh! This is a debacle right here. Oh! I just want to say thank you for letting us use your tank, and let me know when I can rent it. I need to take it out for the weekend. Imagine you pull over in a tank. That'd be the funniest thing ever. Both at the same time go straight.
You ready? I get this for time.
Yeah, I'm ready. Matthew, show us how it's done.
Dad, how do you want to do it?
You're sitting there, and then you got one of those throttles.
Yeah.
And then you got your brake down there.
And then the throttle's right here.
Where's the 50 cal? Think we'd be driving tanks?
I knew I was gonna drive a tank. I knew it.
You manifested it?
I wasn't dreaming like, bro, I'm gonna wake up in the morning and drive a tank.
How many people can say that they drove a tank?
I don't know, but I can, bitch. What's up? Judy, you think you get me on a signature?
Yeah, I got you. I got your signature, bro. It's
Get the fuck.
it's a smiley face.